Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's Glitz Glam New Year's makeup look, I'm going to start with a nice light brown shade and work that into my crease, then continue with a medium brown shade, and then I'm also going to take this shade and kind of flick it out to start to create a nice cat eye effect. Then laying down a darker brown shade, I'm going to place it in the same spot, and if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Now continuing on with this New Year's makeup look, I'm going to use a nice jumbo pencil from NYX, and I'm going to pack it on and then blend it out with my finger. Now with a gorgeous black shade from Sugarpill, I'm going to keep packing this on. Now I don't want to go above my crease, so I'm going to stop right at my crease. I don't want to cover up all the brown shades that I laid down, so I'm going to stop there and then flick it out and of course blend out those harsh edges. With the pad of my finger, I'm going to pick up that gorgeous gray shimmer shade from the Urban Decay Naked palette, the throwback palette that they don't make anymore. I love that palette. And then for my under eye, I'm very sloppily going to add that black shadow that I used before. Now for my waterline, I'm going to use one of Urban Decay's Glide On pencils. And after that, I did blend it out a little bit. And of course, now it's time to curl those lashes and then apply lashes and mascara. Now I didn't apply eyeliner to this look because I felt like it didn't need it. It was nice and dark and smoky. I just left the liquid liner out, but I did add some glitter. So with some glitter primer from NYX, I'm going to pack that on with a concealer brush just right to the middle of my eye, all the way from the crease down to the lash line. And then with the pad of my finger, I'm going to apply some gorgeous and beautiful silver sparkle glitter. Yes. After a quick moisturization of the lips and some setting spray, it's time for the highlights. So I'm using a nice white highlight in my inner corners, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, sexy, sexy time of Cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. All right, now we're going to go ahead and move on to the lips. This beautiful muted red shade that I absolutely love from Dose of Colors. Then a quick little mattification at the end because, well, I love the matte life. So there we go. And here is the finished look of my nice New Year's Glitz and Glam holiday makeup creation. So all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Happy New Year, everyone, and take care.